Hi, this is Nic Barrow with a welcome message to the lady players in cue sports in Pakistan. I'd like you to think about emulating the ladies players scene in Iran. When I went to Iran for the second or third time in 2013 to certify 16 coaches, we had a very strong ladies contingent there, and there were a number of referees, lady referees, a number of very good lady players, and I'd like you to consider taking Arsha Qureshi up on his invitation at the snooker gym Islamabad to show you how to go forward in the game, form a group of friends who can eventually grow the game in Pakistan for the ladies, and perhaps one day emulate the success or supersede the success of the Hong Kong ladies, who are doing great these days. So thank you very much for listening. I hope to see you playing snooker soon, and I will always be on hand to answer your questions if you need it. Thank you very much.